Welcome to the top best. The best leather skiver is probably one of the most essential tools for any leatherworker looking to achieve professional-looking results, allowing you to precisely thin edges, create skived seams, and even craft intricate decorative elements with unparalleled accuracy and ease, transforming your DIY projects from amateur to artisan with this indispensable piece of equipment. Number 5. Hisew Leather Edge Burnishing Bit Standard Set. Traditional leather edge finishing can be time-consuming and physically demanding. This set was designed by leather enthusiasts to make the process faster and easier, delivering clean, consistent results in minutes. This set includes sanding bits for smoothing and beechwood bits for polishing. Achieve clean, natural-looking edges with the ideal combination for both sanding and burnishing. With grooves for various leather thicknesses and a cone-shaped bit for unique profiles, these tools are perfect for medium to firm leathers. Create professional finishes on belts, wallets, bags, and more. Featuring a standard 1/8-inch shank, these bits are compatible with most high-speed rotary tools. For optimal results, use them between 5,000 and 15,000 revolutions per minute, starting at a lower speed. Experience minimal vibration for smooth, consistent edge work, even at high speeds. These bits are engineered for stability and long-term use, proving durable even with regular hobby use. Transform your leather edges with ease. This set provides the tools you need to achieve professional quality finishes without the need for expensive machinery. What we like. This set is perfect for quick edge finishing with a rotary tool. It offers both sanding and burnishing bits for a complete process. If you're looking for a fast, easy way to achieve clean, consistent edges on medium to firm leathers without a large machine, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The green tips are like a super-fine sandpaper and they are perfect if your edge has some imperfections and for shaping. The wood ones burnish to a nice smooth finish. These attachments are very convenient for burnishing leather edges. Very cool little tool for finish work on leather edging. Gives it a smooth and complete look. Number 4. MXBAOHENG Manual Leather Skiver Splitter Tool. This tool offers 2 secure fixing methods. You can use the included clamps to attach it to your table's edge, or use the provided screws for a more permanent setup. Adjust its position easily to suit your workspace. This splitter is ideal for skiving small straps, belts, and watch bands. It works best on hard, non-elastic, and high-density leathers. Please note, it's not designed for very soft or low-density materials. It's most effective with moderately hard leathers like vegetable tanned or chrome tanned types. For the best results, avoid using it on very soft or artificial leather materials. Operating this tool is easier with wider pieces of leather. Softer materials require a narrower skiving width. Leathers with moderate hardness and good grease content are the easiest to work with. For those new to skiving, we recommend practicing on scrap leather of moderate hardness. Avoid skiving too thick in one pass, multiple thin passes will yield a more even result. To reach your desired thickness, it's best to perform multiple passes rather than attempting to remove a lot of material at once. This ensures a smooth and even finish on your leather. What we like. This manual splitter is designed for precise skiving of smaller items like straps and watch bands. Its dual fixing methods offer flexibility in how you set it up. If you work with moderately hard leathers and need a reliable tool for thinning without a large investment, this is a great option. What people say. Does the job well. Just go slowly and carefully. The unit will skive a 1-inch, maybe up to 2-inch wide strap. Number 3. Manual Leather Skiver Machine. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, this tool is built to last and resist rust. It comes with 10 alloy steel blades, ensuring efficient leather peeling. Secure it easily to your workbench using the included screws, or utilize the 2 stainless steel clamps for convenient table edge mounting and adjustable positioning. Perfect for skiving small straps, belts, and watch bands, this is an essential tool for any leather crafting workshop. It works with vegetable tanned and chrome tanned leathers. Fine-tune the peeling thickness with the adjusting screws at either end. Simply modify the distance between the blade and roller to match your leather's thickness. It can handle leather up to 8 cm wide, though beginners should start with narrower widths around 5 cm for easier operation. This tool is ideal for peeling hard, non-elastic leathers down to 1 mm. For best results, practice with test leathers and use materials with moderate hardness and good lubrication. Your purchase includes the Skiver machine, 2 clamps, 10 blades, 2 wrenches, and 4 fixing screws. We're here to help if you have any questions. What we like. This machine offers adjustable thickness for precise skiving and comes with a generous set of 10 blades. Constructed from durable 304 stainless steel, it's built to last. If you need a versatile manual splitter for various leather projects and appreciate the ability to fine-tune the skiving thickness, this is a solid contender. What people say. The wrenches are paramount for the adjustments on thickness because the thumb screws are too hard to get at with fingers. The bearings that hold the roller kept falling out. Number 2. Manual leather skiver paring machine. Achieve professional level leather skiving with this manual paring machine. Its efficient design allows for precise thinning of leather edges. Perfect for DIY leathercraft projects, this tool makes paring and peeling leather simple. Get the clean, finished look you desire for your creations. Equipped with a sharp 6-inch cutting blade, it effortlessly shaves and thins leather. This ensures smooth and consistent results every time. This durable machine acts like a shovel, expertly removing thin layers of leather. It's built to last for all your leatherworking needs. Elevate your leather projects with this essential tool. It helps you achieve thinner, more manageable pieces for intricate designs and comfortable wear. Designed for ease of use, you don't need to be an expert to get great results. Simply guide the material and let it do the work. What we like. This manual skiver features a substantial 6-inch cutting blade for efficient leather peeling. Its adjustable thickness allows for customized results. If you prefer a straightforward, manual approach to thinning leather and need a wider blade for larger pieces, this tool is worth considering. What people say. The machine is very easy to use and effective for skiving leather. It has a sturdy construction and the blades are sharp, providing clean cuts. The adjustable depth feature allows for precise skiving, which is great for detailed work. Number 1. DIY Manual Leather Skiver 6-Blade. Crafted from sturdy stainless steel, this tool ensures a flat cut every time. Its robust material guarantees longevity and reliable performance for your leatherworking projects. Featuring a sharp blade, a firm clamp, and an adjustable cutting thickness, it's designed for ease of use. The wooden crank makes manual operation smooth and efficient. This machine is ideal for thinning plant-tanned leather up to 7 cm wide. Achieve precise results for your leather crafting needs. Experience full control with its manual operation. You'll manually lift the material to peel, allowing for meticulous work on your chosen leather. Your purchase includes the main peeling machine, a handle, 2 L keys, and 4 screws. Everything you need to get started is right here. What we like. With a generous 6-inch, 15 cm, blade and sturdy stainless steel construction, this splitter is designed for efficient leather thinning. It offers adjustable cutting depth for precise control. If you're looking for a robust manual splitter with a wide blade for handling larger widths of vegetable tanned leather, this machine is an excellent fit. What people say. The blade is sharp as a knife. A 2-inch strap is pretty easy with this machine. Product is heavy duty. Easy installation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.